Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to take a look at the Turbo Racing latest version of their drift version. So this is the version 2. Okay, before that, right, the previous version is C64 and the rest of the friends, which are running on the same chassis but different shell. Okay, different body shell. So this one is the latest version 2 of the whole drift series by Turbo Racing, 176 size. Yeah, so look out for this model C65. So it's running on the latest chassis model of T04. Yeah, which is the same as C75, the racing version C75, which is very fast. So they after the TC04 chassis released around months ago, finally they released the drift version. So this video we are going to do the unbox video. If you don't want to see any unbox, just look at the playlist below, whereby I will show my first drifting experience. Okay, so unboxing time. So unboxing, what do you have? Open it up. Okay, you have the manual, which no one will read about. Okay, and some marketing stuff of the past series that they have. Yeah, so the drift series that I mentioned, C61, 62, 63, C64, all these are the older versions. So if you want to get the drift version, right, just get the latest version, which is C65. Okay, this version. And yeah, so you see I still have the Mini Cooper, yeah, over here. Okay, and a drift mat for you to practice. So for drift cars, right, RC drift cars, you need proper surface to execute all this drifting efficiently. So I suggest that you get this mat by Turbo Racing, the drift mat. They only have one drifting track available, so just get this. If not, you can practice on this. I will show how is it to do drifting on this mat. Okay, so order together. Okay, then removing the paper, tracing paper, and then the body shell, whereby you can do the customization. Okay, so some body shell parts, you see there's all last time it's only just the shell. Right now there's more accessories for you to modify your stuff. Okay, so do two body shell, and the car itself, later we'll talk more about some of the features, some of the enhancement. Okay, the screwdrivers over here for you to do some configuration tuning, yeah, on the chassis itself. And the remote control run on 4 AAA battery. So do make sure you have 4 AAA battery, if not you'll be sad. Okay, I'm still surprised they should. I still prefer it to be running on like at least 18650, those standard battery. A bit, so after so many years they still like to run it on AAA battery. And removing the plastic protector, you can also do USB charge from here. Then you on USB-C, where you can plug in the car, charge your car with the AAA battery. Okay, yeah, and the controls, all the controls over here, which will cover more in the other part of the video, and the lights control all over here. Yeah, and USB-C cable, USB-C-A to USB-C cable. Okay, so use this cable to charge. I have tried charging using USB-C to USB-C, it doesn't work. And the pin injector over here. Okay, and yeah, looking at the box itself, some of the features which you can take a look. So affiliate link in the description below on where to purchase it. Okay, click on support my channel by clicking on the affiliate link. Okay, if not, you can these are some of the features. You can click on the link to look at all the features in their marketing info. So basically that's the end of the unboxing video, short and sweet. Okay, hope y'all like it. Next video coming up next, right, we'll do drifting on this map, okay, by a newbie. So I'm a newbie in RC drifting, so I will talk more in the next video. Okay, thank you.